Hey, how y'all guys doing? My name is Herbert Brady over here at J-Tech. What we're doing today is electronic repair. I'm working on an 04 Chevy Avalanche, and here I got the wires right here. I'm gonna use these wire strippers, strip the wire. Okay. And actually what we're doing is we're taking splicing these two wires, and I'm gonna splice and I'm gonna connect the wire and repair. Gotta pull this wire back so I'll be able to hook this into the bluish purple one is the hot and the black one is the ground.
So you ain't gonna tell me what I already know. Now if I did, I ain't, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But I don't get down like that. Yeah. But y'all saying, oh man, y'all you were criticizing me before I even got started.
So I've cut the harness because I had LED lights on. I'm going back to the factory. So what I'm gonna do now is strip these wires.
Had you not been fucking with me, I would have pulled it. I would have told you, man, we was going to see why I got fucking with me. I put this shit back together.
Okay. Got the wire strip. And here's the two wires what I'm connected to. Got both of my wires stripped. And now this is my hot, this is my ground, and the lights come on. So next step, I'm gonna put these two together. Just hang that like that. I don't want these two to touch because it'll blow out the fuse. Okay, now I got the two wires hooked up. Okay, and now I'm wiring my factory plug back in. Trying to take this puppy back to factory. And from here, as you can see those wires, from here I go to soldering. I'm gonna solder these two wires, and as you can see, I already got my two pieces of heat shrink in place for after I get finished soldering. I heat shrink onto the wires, and it'll be perfect. Okay, now that I got the wires all soldered and heat shrink, now I'm just waiting for my Napa guy so I can get my bulbs and plug it in and see is this whole electronic repair successful. Give me a minute, so I'll be back whenever Napa gets here. Hey, yeah, this is Herbert Brady. Hope y'all learned something today. Come check me out on YouTube. I just showed you how to repair the fog lights. Cut the wire, solder it, and heat shrink it. So check me out. If you need any help, just go on my YouTube page. I got a lot of helpful videos.